What if I told you you could create an entire coloring page in less than 10 minutes? In this tutorial, I'll show you how coloring page scene creators make it possible. Hey, welcome to the Scene Creator Success Series, where I share step-by-step tutorials to help you create professional and adorable coloring and activity pages to sell in your shop. I'm Lindsay, and I love making scene creator sets to help you create awesome things. Today, we are making a fun summer-themed pirate and mermaid coloring page. I'll show you how to add depth to your image by layering the different elements and the best place to lay out your focal points to give a balanced and professional look. You can get your own scene creator set plus 40 ideas and example pages at the link below. I have the Page Builders Playbook Summer Idea Edition for you, where you can sign up and get all of these free elements, all the ideas that you would need to fill up your shop and start selling today. So let's get into creating this page together. I am excited to share it with you. We are going to have the pirate above the water, the mermaid below, and the focal points are up here with the pirate and right here on the mermaid. And this layout is a specific traditional layout that you can use for almost any page that you create. It is the rule of thirds. You just need to divide your page into thirds horizontally and vertically, and where the lines cross is naturally where your eyes are going to follow. So first place that your eye lands is going to be up here on the pirate, and the second place is down here on the mermaid. So that's how we're going to lay out our page today, and I'm going to show you how to layer the different elements to add depth. We are going to start with the first step of creating with Coloring Page Scene Creators is adding your background. So let's add in our palm tree. I'm going to flip this one for this page, and then we are going to make a copy of that. Just Control D to duplicate. Okay, so then we've got our two palm trees, and then I'm going to add the island right up here. And you see how the trees go behind the island. That is going to add depth to your picture, and it adds just a little extra detail that you can't really get when you have all those transparent outline elements that you can get some other places. And then for this one, for the rest of the pirate background, I'm actually going to go over to Elements and use this wavy line, because I want to add a water line back here. And that is going to move back. We'll hit position and then to back on both of those, and that gives us our background for our pirate. Now I'm going to move down. We're going to do the mermaid background. This one is even easier because I have this finished background that comes in the Scene Creator set. We just need to put it to size and center it on the page where we'd like it. It comes with the coral and the sand and everything already on there for you. And then we can move on to building our scene, which is step 2 with Scene Creators. So we will go grab our pirate and put that right here. I'm actually going to flip it around. That's another layout tip. You want then facing towards the center of your page so that your eye stays in and you don't go off the side of the page. It keeps your eye moving around the page. Then we'll put our mermaid down here. And if you can see, she looks kind of like she's sitting on top of everything, and we want to push her back just a little so she looks like she's sitting in the sand. So I'm going to grab this sand element here and place it just in front of her hand and body, and it pushes her back in. It makes her look like she's sitting in the sand instead of on top of everything. And then we're going to just add some objects and some extra details. This crab, I want walking up the side of the island here. And then let's add a few more pieces of seaweed in and around, just to give a few more details. And then let's do the clam. Set it right there. And that actually could use this sand element also. I'm just going to make it smaller. And we're going to push it to the back here. That look good. Block in the starfish a little, and then okay, now we are just going to push this sand element behind the mermaid so it's sitting in the sand. That's it for the details of our page. Now we are just going to finish it off with our frame. That is step 3 and the final step to creating a professional, detailed coloring page with Coloring Page Scene Creators. I would love for you to create along with me, so make sure you follow that link below and get your copy of the Page Builder Playbook with 40 ideas and example pages, plus all of the summer elements that you can create your own page with. And I would love to see what you create. So feel free to hit reply to that email when you get your free download and share your copy with me so I can see how it worked for you. Happy creating!